So, dito tayo sa Animate 3D. Okay, so just sign in, Animate 3D. Sign in, then let me just log in. Yan. Yung password ko. And sign in. Yan. Uy, ba't mali? Okay. Alright. So, pag okay na, naka-sign up, naka-sign in na kayo, just click on go to portal. Okay? And then, click on launch. Dito sa Animate 3D ha, dito kayo. So, Animate 3D launch. Yan. And by default, if you want, you can just go to portal.deepmotion.com. Okay? So, by default, naka-grayscale pa to if you're using the free account. So, just click on Animate 3D. And then, if you're using a free account, you only have limited credits. I think you only have like 60 seconds or 2 minutes of animation. And then you could only have 3 3D models. Pero okay lang yon. Just simply click on create. And then, the video that recorded, yung animation na susundan niya, okay, you just upload the video here. So, for example, yan. Then, let's just rename the file. Dance. Yan, name. Okay? So, okay na yan. Then, just follow the steps. Okay? Follow the steps. Once you have followed the steps, technically, yung 3D models dito, magiging hindi na grayscale. So, just click on 3D models. And then, you could create now your own avatar if you want. So, similar to how we created an avatar in Avatar, pwede dyan. Okay? So, this is linked now with the Ready Player Me account. Yan, pwede kang gumawa ng avatar. Okay? Choose file, bahala kayo. So, similar to how you create a photo. Okay? Or how to create an avatar. So, mga Facebook nyo, and so on. Similar. But, pwede yan. In our case, we're gonna upload now the 3D model that we created from Avatar. So, ito siya. Then, click on upload. So, let's just wait for this. So, wait lang. Ayan. So, click on OK. And then ito, let's create now an animation. So, this is the avatar that I want. For example, this one. I'll just create an animation. Ito na yung ating animation. Let's try to trim it so that we have the animation that we want. Okay na yata ito? Dito ba siya nagsimula? Ayan. Okay. For example, that. Okay. So, click on save. Ayan. And then, let's just go down to some of the properties. So, if you want to earn more credits, animation time, just type in, for example, describe your motion. Okay. So, for example, character dancing to P-pop choreography. Okay. So, yan. Alright. And then here, technically, if you're using a free account, naka-auto yan. So, I'll just use auto. Fallback pose is once it's not able to detect the animation, it would go now to this fallback poses. So, pili na lang kayo dyan. And then, physics filter, basically, para yung mga joints hindi nagkiklip. Okay? Or, di ba, for example, nag-intersect yung mga dalawang kamay, ayaw natin yon. So, just click on that one. And then, just select on this thing. Hand tracking, head rotation, and so on. Now, by default, animation output, this is for the game engines. If you want just a simple MP4, just click on MP4 output. But that will take animation credits as well. So, click on animation output, then click on create. Okay? So, if you're using a free account, your credits might not be as high as me. Okay lang yan. Then just, you could learn how to create free credits by describing your animation dito. Diba? So, click on create. Okay, double check your files. Okay, or your settings. Then click on start job. Alright, so again, this will take a while. what I'm gonna do, so maglo-load to, I'm just gonna pause the video, okay, and hanggang matapos. Ayan, so okay na siya. Once it's finished loading, ito yung lalabas. Just click on OK. Ayan na siya, okay? By default, okay, let's me just see that. Ayan, no? So, uh, okay. Yung first load, medyo mabagal, but notice here, ayan, it's following the animation. Let me just, ayan, first load kasi kaya medyo mabagal. Okay? But ayan, wait lang ah. Let's just finish the first animation so that you will able to see how it follows this video. Okay? Let's just finish it to load. Nilo-load niya kasi eh. Yan. But notice it's following the dance steps. Let's wait for the first load ah. Nagpo-post na kasi yung video dito sa likod. Uh-huh. Ayan. Okay. Medyo may delay, no? Pero, ayan, may delay sa likod. Pero, notice it's following the dance steps. Let's see. Yun. Okay, ayan. Uh-huh. But technically, yan. Technically, pina-follow nila yung dance steps. Yung video lang sa likod, hindi nilang, nagpo-post lang yung video sa likod. Okay? Uh-huh. Ano ba yan? Ayan. So much better. Okay? So, nag-load lang siya twice, but notice, it's following now the dance steps. There we go. Okay? Alright. So, I'm good with this animation. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna download now this one and import it in our game engine. So, makikita mo yung animation quality, 63%. Okay lang yan. Okay? So, bihira ka makagawa ng 100% dyan eh. But let me just pause na natin yan. Then click on download. I want an FBX file. Then click on download. Yan. And we're gonna unzip this, tapos import this now in Unity. Alright? Right click. Extract all. Extract. Yan. Ito na siya. So, I'll see you in the next lesson where we're gonna import this animation inside Unity.